Triangle Brick is a large brick manufacturer, and we're a large family-owned brick manufacturer. We currently operate 3 sites, and across those 3 sites we have 5 brick plants, and they're all large operations. In total, we can make somewhere north of 500 million brick a year. But relationally, we want you to feel like we're your neighbor. We're extremely customer focused. I think we do that as good or better than anybody in the country.
In essence, our customer is the hero of the story, and we're here as a guide to help them be successful. That is really our focus. It doesn't matter who you are. If you can solve a customer need, then that's your job for today.
Anytime, any day, I think you could get somebody from Triangle Brick to answer your questions or at least get a response and know that we're either looking at an issue or looking to solve your problem. We're able to make decisions quicker, which is our competitive advantage.
We have robots, we have automated machine tools that move the bricks out, the latest in forklifts, latest in the mining equipment. We can react pretty quickly to any customer need because we control the supply chain. We can go pick up and move cubes on a job site because we control the trucking, and we can do that today. We can make a special order if we need to.
I think that is probably number one on why our customers like working with us, or the value that really allows us to kind of beat our competition.
The thing that I love the most about working with our customers is I feel like I have a hand in part of their history, part of their future. Architects, designers, home builders, developers, residential, commercial, big, small, whatever cladding material they might be using on the exterior, I am able to help them coordinate their colors, their roof, their paint, anything to pair up with our brick.
The modernness of our plants, the technology we have in our plants, and frankly the people that we have in our plants are extremely flexible to responding to what the customer needs. For the most part, if you can think of a brick, we can make it.
While we are highly automated, our employees are making the bricks. I think that's one of the ways that we've perfected our craft over the last 70 years.
When you're doing something that you love, it's not really a job. It's something that you enjoy doing, and you want to do it, and you want to do your best.
If you need something from Triangle Brick, you pick the phone up and call us. You walk in our design center or you text us and we're going to respond. We do brick best, bottom line.